What if I told you your electricity bill is not your biggest expense? The real cost is making the wrong decision. And that's the problem we are solving at the Surya Sangam. Every business wants to reduce their energy cost. But when it comes to making energy decision, most businesses are working with incomplete information. Questions like, should we invest in solar? How much time will it take to get our ROI? And will this investment make financial sense in the longer run? How much capacity do we actually need? These decisions shouldn't be based on the assumption, right? They should be backed by the data. India has committed to 500 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030. But here's what nobody tells you. The biggest bottleneck is not the panels or policy or even a capital. It is the decision making which is stopping us. An MSME owner, a school principal, a hospital administrator, they all want to go solar, but they are stuck. No clear numbers on what it costs, no clear number on what they save, no trusted way to compare vendors. So the file sits in a drawer and the rooftop stays empty. That's the particular problem Alad Green was built to solve. We are not a solar installer. We are a digital layer that makes solar adoption simple, bankable, and trackable for the customer, for the vendor, and after the installation for the planet. We call it Surya Sangam. Let me show you how it works. So it starts with the Surya Calc. An MSME or residential user simply uploads their electricity bill. In seconds, they get a full picture. Their actual solar requirement, the real pricing, side by side comparison, a rooftop visualization, and a project ROI. No sales call needed to get a straight answer. This is the moment we turn hesitation into a decision, and that's the decision flows straight into the booking. Once the customer is ready, Surya Nexa takes over. This is the CRM built specifically for solar vendors. Team management, intelligent lead scoring, automated quotation generation, rooftop assessment, procurement, and invoicing all in one single system. What used to take a vendor system days of back and forth now happens in one connected workflow. This is where we make solar vendors faster and more competitive. But adoption doesn't end at the installation. That's where most platforms stop. But we do want to. Surya Impact OS lets every customer monitor their generation in real time and see it translated into a sustainability metrics through built-in ESG reporting. For an MSME, this is not just a nice to know thing. That's the compliance ready data. They can hand it over to a bank, a buyer, or a regulator. This is not just a concept, it is life. We are currently executing a 1 megawatt agrivoltaic project with BOS procurement already underway. Our pipeline of aggregated demand is significantly ahead of our installed base, which tells us one thing: the platform works and the market is waiting for us. We at Alad Green, building the digital backbone for India's solar transition, one rooftop at a time. And I am Chirag Patel, co-founder and CEO of Alad Green. If you believe decision making is the real bottleneck to 500 gigawatts, we'd love to have you with us. Thank you.